Hi, good morning, everyone. Today I am going to show you a very short video on how to select pictures or objects in Excel. Hello, everyone. My name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Over here, as you can see, there are a lot of pictures or objects on my Excel. Sometimes it can be graphs or sometimes it can be picture. So when you want to delete them, right, you have to select one by one, right, which is click on one item, then hold shift button and then click the next picture and then the next object and so on and so forth. It's very slow, right? You can also hold control and select, but I'm going to show you a shortcut on how to select everything together. So what you do is go to find and select and then use select objects. So right now you can just highlight everything that you want to select and then you can delete. And then once that find and select objects are activated, you can see I have other objects at the bottom of my Excel. So what you do is you use Control A to select everything and then you can easily delete. So I hope this video has helped you. If it has already helped you, please give the video a like and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye.